Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here from Ace Supply. It is going to be marking flags. So, you know, if you have an area you need to mark stuff, like doing construction, or, you know, it'll be fun for out here for the kids when they play soccer and things like that. We can mark some of the corners with these. But you can see these are the flags here. They've got the little metal spike here in the bottom, so it'll be easy to plug in. Might not want to do it, I guess, with the soccer, because it'll poke them if they land on it. But these are good to mark just edges and boundaries, or when you're doing some construction and stuff, you've got all these, and it comes with a million of them here. I'm colorblind, so I'm not sure what color it is, but you guys can tell me. And these are what they look like here. It comes with them, and it comes all neatly wrapped, and they are definitely good to have if you're going to be doing any type of work outside or whatever like that on construction stuff. You're going to need some of these. So these are really good and super nice. Thumbs up.